We're going to build the chair first. I've already gone ahead and I've already popped out all the pieces from the box and bent everything pre-bent. So make sure that you remember that we have a line side and a smooth side. The smooth side is always going to be on the out. The line will always be on the inside. And make sure that you always bend all your cardboard before you start on all the pieces. I've gone ahead and done that. So remember, your smooth side and your line side is smooth side out. Now there's two bends in the middle, which is going to create your front. And your piece with the hole is going to bend in first, flapping over. Now this piece will not fit in unless you bend down these flaps. So when you come around, you want to bend. And the flaps fit in when they're bent over, and it gives the cardboard a sturdy lock. As you see, when you put it in, it's going to be there. You want to flip it up. It's a lock piece. I've already gone ahead and I've done the other one. You want to make sure that your happy faces are on the outside. Now you want to grab your bigger piece with the two flaps. This is going to be the front of your chair. And slide the piece in on both sides. And I leave it there for a minute. We also have your pieces that are going to fit in. This chair is very sturdy. And I'll show you when we're all finished that I can actually, at 200 pounds, stand on the chair. Now each piece, as we put it in, locks the next piece in. This chair feels like you have to apply a lot of pressure to get the piece in, but once it's in, they do not come out. And the eyes on top, and the happy face. So you can continue up on the chair. That's a cardboard elephant. Check that out. And back to the top piece here. You'll just want to bend in to the very top. And of course your last piece fits in nice. I've already have one built here that I use for my example chair here in the store. And this chair is so sturdy. If you put a child on the back, normal chair would just fall over, not this one. And I can wave, and I can dance. Chair.